How to install your Jool Baby Potty Ladder. Your potty ladder comes with 1 seat, 1 step, 2 handles, 4 leg components, 2 feet, 16 total screws, and a screwdriver. First, we will begin with the legs of the potty ladder. Insert the longer leg components through the bottom of the step piece. Make sure the legs face the same direction as shown. Now we will build the seat so that we can connect it to the legs. Taking the handles, we will insert them into the seat until they click. After this, insert the legs into the seat. Align the holes and use the 2 types of screws to secure both sides of the legs to the seat. Now you can insert the smaller leg components into the bottom of the longer leg components. Make sure the smaller leg components face the same direction as the legs above them. Just as we aligned the holes of the legs to the seat, we will now align the holes of the lower legs to the step piece and screw them in the same way we did with the seat. Now slide the feet over the bottom of the legs. Make sure the feet are facing outwards. Adjust the screw position on the legs and feet to make sure you have the correct height for your toilet. Once you have the right position, tighten the screws on both sides. Congratulations! You have finished assembling your Jool Baby Potty Ladder. Now it's time to take the next big step together. Jool Baby, here for your everyday adventure.